So Dollar Tree has a small glass container, so I'm going to spray paint them in gold. So after I spray painted in gold, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to place some hot glue all the way around the glass like that. And then I'm going to take a floral foam and place it on top to attach it. Then I got this ring that comes in a set of 3, but we're going to use the small one this time. Just go ahead and place it inside so you put it all the way through it like that. To hold it into place, make sure to put some hot glue, take more floral foam, and then stuck it up like that. So you have to do this part to be able to hold it perfectly fine. Make sure to put enough hot glue. Then go ahead and take your flower, take a toothpick, put it inside your flower, and then attach your flower to the floral foam like that. So you're going to continue doing this until you attach the whole thing all the way around it. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple and easy and elegant. And I think this one look good in any party decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take a small piece of floral foam, and this time I'm just going to go ahead and place it through the ring like that, just to make a little hole. Go ahead and put some hot glue inside and then attach it to the ring on top like that. Then take one of these balloon holder, you're going to put some hot glue and you're going to attach the balloon holder into the floral foam like that. Just go ahead and attach it into place. Then after that, just put a flower in the middle and then go ahead and grab your balloon, whatever color you're doing, and then attach it to the top of the balloon holder. After that, just fill it up the whole thing around just to cover the floral foam so it won't show. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple, so easy. And I think this will look great on any party decorations. And I think it's a great idea and it's so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. And I hope you guys like it. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of these glass as well from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the top out and I'm going to take these beautiful flower that comes in a long string. I'm going to place it inside the jar like that. So just place it to make it nice inside. So then after that, I'm going to take these string lights and I'm going to place it in the back and cover it with a flower, and then just go ahead and place your lights inside the container, then cover it up. So now that you have this small candle holder, I'm just going to go ahead and take my hot glue and put it on top and then attach it on top like that in the middle, in the center. Then after you attach it, I'm going to take a few little flowers and I'm going to put some hot glue, attach one in the middle and all the way around it. You can leave it without it. Then go ahead and put some hot glue at the top and attach a glass like that. In here, you could also do it with the flower or without the flower. It's up to you how you guys want to display, if you wanted to do it or not. Then go ahead and place a candle inside. Then take a lighter and turn it on. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super easy, and it can be done for a home decor or party decor. It's up to you. So here's with the flower how it will look, and you can also do it without the flower on top. It's up to you guys. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like, follow, and comment.